Hello everyone and welcome for a new YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to paint an onyx inspired Kintsugi piece. As you see here, I've already prepared my palette with some creamy colors. Today I will be using buff titanium, white, black and some yellow ochre and burnt umber. So I'm always starting by making my background. I like my color to be really smooth and delicate. I like to smudge my paint and have a really smooth and gradient work. So here I'm inspired by the lines in the stone, in the onyx stone, and I will do different highlights and more saturated color area. Here I'm focusing on this part right here with some yellow ochre. I will link in the description my Patreon account. There will be a full tutorial video on this particular painting, and I have many others too. You will know what product I use, how I did this, and the video is more detailed and lasts longer. Yeah, so now I'm adding highlights and extra details on this painting. I like to go darker on the smaller area and add also the dark brown to add structure to my stone and add extra details. Also, I like to use Posca pen, and then I go back and add the last details on my stone-like part. I like to use reference pictures, many pictures of stone and marble and onyx slice marble, just to have a general idea of what I'm doing and how I can imitate the stone. I like my paint to be really watery, and I work layer by layer to have a beautiful transparency. And yeah, I'm done with the painting. Now I will start by using my gold leaf glue, and I will apply it all the way through my lines, 3D lines. If you want to know how I do this, I also have videos on Patreon that shows how I do my Kintsugi lines and how to apply gold leaves. Now that my glue is dry, I can apply my gold. I will use a specific brush dedicated to gold just to clean everything and remove all of the little gold dust. Then I will apply my varnish. It's important to clean every gold dust because you don't want that in your varnish. I have done 3 coats on this one just to give a beautiful sheen on the painting. And let's see the result. Thank you if you've watched the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments if you will. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon here, and yeah, I wish you all a nice day and see you for the next video. Bye. Bye guys.